Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. Having said that, these are some of the important levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading and then posted these levels in Telegram channel as well. And yeah, if you want to join the Telegram channel, please find the link available in the description of this video. Okay. And please try to subscribe, like, and share the video so that the right knowledge is reaching to as many people as possible. Okay. So what was the plan for today? So plan for today is that if market opens little bit of a gap up to flat kind of a opening somewhere here above this level, or you can say above this yesterday's closing, I'll be bullish. So that's the plan. So you can see that there's a positive opening. So it is a little bit of a gap up opening and a continuous momentum, and you can see that there is a sell side fair value gap over here, and then market tried to close strongly, and then after that there is a little bit of a pullback and then market strongly moves up. Okay, so and then this fair value gap now will become an inverse fair value gap, right? This will be an inverse fair value gap once it is breached. Okay, and price starts trading above this. Okay, and yeah, so coming to my trade today, so I have taken two trades. Okay, the first trade I have executed here itself, so that market if continuously going up from here, I don't want to miss this opportunity, kind of a fear of missing out kicked in. And also there is a logic. You can see that yesterday also there is a strong candle and then there is a reversal, right? People might be thinking that today also bank nifty is making a strong candle before the reversal, right? That is not going to happen right today. And you can see that why I'm bullish. You can see that yesterday, if market wants to fall, yesterday was the right time to fall for the market, right? You can see that it should have fallen from here or from here as well, right? When this low is broken and the liquidity is taken, there is a strong reversal to the upside, towards the upside. Okay, that indicates bullishness in the market, at least for today, right? For intraday trading. Okay, then based on that, I have executed my first trade here, and though it's a small pullback, premium was going down, good amount of points, because the premium was very high today. Call premiums were very high today. Okay, then again I have executed my second trade. I bought CA again here in this candle somewhere around 937 or something, when this rejection is happening over here. Okay, so then I have captured this move in the second trade and exited somewhere here. So this was my trade, second trade, right? Entered right at the bottom of this move and exited almost at the top of this move. So this was my trade for today. And then with that, I made a profit close to 15,000 change in Dhan. And in Zerodha, I have taken only one trade. With that, I made a profit close to 5,000. So overall, it's 20,000 plus for today. And you can see that the first trade, I've taken a stop loss of about 9,500. And the second trade, I won big with 25,000 plus profit, right? That's how you should be managing your risk to reward, right? So ultimately, two things are going to make you profitable trader. One thing is the win rate. Second thing is the risk reward, right? You need to concentrate on both the things to maintain good risk reward and to maintain good win rate. Okay, that will ultimately makes you a good profitable trader. Okay, with that, let's dive into our today's live trading session and see how I manage the trades, what was the psychology, and try to learn something from there. See you there. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Welcome back again. So, the market has opened already, and then I have entered into my first trade as well, the CE side or the long side of the trade. Okay, so I bought 51,300 call with 210 quantity. So trading with a little bit of less quantity because it's you can see that the first 5 minutes candle is a very strong candle, and then we may expect a little bit of a pullback as well. So for that reason, I have entered with smaller quantity, and also that uh, so the premiums are very high, and let's say for example, if it gives a smaller pullback, also the premium is going to go down with a huge amount of points, right? So that's where if it is in my control, I wanted to add the quantity, or otherwise I wanted to take the SL. So just exited 90 quantity here, guys, so that if I get a better chance, I will try to add back the quantity, or otherwise I will take exit in this trade and try to wait for a proper pullback to enter again. So that's the plan. We'll see how this trade goes on. That has taken away my stop loss in the first trade, guys, and it's a loss of about 9,500 in this trade. And since this is not a very high probability trade to enter into the trade after a very strong candle, I haven't taken this trade in Zerodha. So it's a loss of 9,500 in the trade. We'll let you know if I take any trade. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So I have entered into my second trade here, guys, and you can see that I have bought 150 quantity of 51,200 call this time. And what is the reason for the trade, or what is the logic behind this trade, right? Yes, the first thing, I have a bullish view uh, for today's market, and also I was waiting for a pullback, right? After booking a stop loss in the first trade, I was waiting for a pullback. I've got necessary pullback already, and you can see that there is little bit of rejections at the bottom of the candles formed. Though it is a red candle, there is a little bit of rejection, and also whenever it has to continue this momentum towards the downside, it has it has to invalidate the sell side fair value gap that also priced into. And right now I have entered with 150 quantity because if I get a better opportunity, I wanted to add on to the existing position, right? We'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Added here 60 more quantity, guys, and right now we are sitting with 210 quantity in this trade. Okay, we'll see how this trade goes on from here. You can see multiple rejections, on the spot chart, guys, and also premium will tell you what exactly is happening, right? I'm trying to add here 15 more quantity because the premiums are very high, so I was not able to trade with good amount of quantity today. So this is enough. Okay, so by trading smaller quantity also we can make good amount of money as well, right? So we are back to a little bit of green already, and hope the market will make a continuous momentum from here towards the upside, right? And the line that I have drawn as a resistance on the spot chart will be our indicator. So if that is broken, we'll get a further good momentum towards the upside. That's where I would like to plan my exit, right? We'll see how this trade goes on. Thank you. You can see that market is breaking above the day's high that I have marked, guys, as a resistance, the interim resistance, and also on the premium as well. And we are already getting some 20,000 change in this trade, but Bank Nifty still has some potential to give us more profit in this trade. Okay, we'll see how this trade goes on. Little bit of a consolidation phase right now in the market. This line over here, the trend line, there is a strong red candle came in the premium, and then collected the liquidity and then showing a green candle again. So all these red candles coming down is opportunities to add on the quantity, but then so both 2 points should be taken care, guys. So the fixed quantity as well as the fixed capital into that needs to be deployed into a trade as well, right? So because today is a high premiums that we have, so we're not supposed to increase the quantity. So the two things should be managed here in terms of money management. So one thing is the capital that you are deploying into a single trade, and also the quantity that you are buying in a single trade, right? Both needs to be taken care and then balanced properly. So that's why I'm not buying more and more quantity in this trade. We'll see how this trade goes on from here. We are getting a good momentum right now in this trade and already getting some close to 23,000 of profit as well, guys, in this trade. I will try to wait for few more seconds in this trade and see if there'll be a continuous momentum, or otherwise I'll try to book the profit or trail the stop loss very strictly here. Okay, we'll see. Exited the trade here, guys, and I can see that I have collected more than 110 points of premium in this trade, and with that I made a profit close to 25,000 in the second trade. And first trade you can see 9,000 change of loss, and overall it's a profit of 15,000 change. And in Zerodha I have taken the second trade where I made a profit of 5,000. So overall profit of 20,000 change for today. I'll be keep on saying that the risk reward and the win rate should be maintained properly, so that ultimately that will make us a profitable trader. That's all for today, guys. Hope you have enjoyed and learned something from today's session. Please try to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.